Hello people, welcome back to our channel. This is Vega Buddy, and today I am with my friend Mati, and he's from Argentina, and he give you some introduction about him and about this place.
Hey, hello folks, I'm Mati. We are here in Pidurangala rock above the temple. We got here from Kandy. We had to wake up really early in the morning, like something like 6 a.m. Catch a bus to all the way to Dambula. It was something like 3 hours to get there, and then an extra hour to here to Sigiriya. You can see if the camera follows me, you can see the Lion Rock over there. This place is like amazing. So I don't know, just come here. Don't miss it if you have the chance to come to Sri Lanka, and well, keep enjoying the vlog.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mati. Nice to hear that about the Sri Lanka. So this is all about our Sri Lankan vlog, and right now we are at Sigiriya and enjoying the wonderful, amazing, stunning views from the top of the mountain. You can also check out the view, guys. So this is the cool views. You can see the Lion Rock.
And now we are hop on a bus and head down to a popular destination called Sigiriya. Sigiriya is a small town and it's famous for its two peaks, Lion Rock and Pidurangala. Spending one day here is perfect, as you can visit one for sunrise, another for sunset.
Rock there, and this is a Sigiriya bus stand. माउंटेन ऊपर जाना तो बहुत ज़्यादा हाइक करना पड़ेगा. It will approximately take 30 to 40 minutes to reach at the top, and the ways are so narrow. You have to just make sure that you don't carry the heavy luggage, otherwise you will face difficulty climbing. Rock is next to the Sigiriya rock, and this is such a very nice and beautiful place, and the view from this place is just amazing. It's totally worth it. How are you feeling right now? Finally made it.
Yeah, and getting down is easier than walking up the tour.
Awesome. Yeah, nice.
And then Ella, the beach area. Yeah, then Ella, and now here in here in Kandy. So this is your trick. Okay, thank you very much. You've done like.
Traveling to Nuwara Eliya from Kandy, and this is really a stunning and mesmerizing view, and no Sri Lanka trip is complete without a train ride. Very nice and beautiful train ride. Moto from Japan. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Wow, and where are you traveling in Sri Lanka?
Yeah.
Where are you traveling in Sri Lanka? Where are you going?
Where?
Yeah, Nuwara Eliya. Oh, nice, nice.
Yes, and Curry.
Nice. So right now I am traveling to Nuwara Eliya with Moto, and he's from Japan, and also with my friend Luis, and he's sitting here, and he's also traveling with us to Nuwara Eliya.
excited.
Yeah, super excited, man.
Luck to the three of us.
Yeah, and right now we are at Nanuoya. Yeah, it's Nanuoya. Yeah. Hello guys, so we are in cab right now and going to Gregory Lake.
Yes.
With my friends Lois and Moto.
Very good local guide.
Oh yeah.
And next is Ella.
Yes, and next trip to Ella.
Yes.
Hello, is he there?
We're getting a ticket for the entrance for the lake.
Yeah.
कैंसिल कर दूंगा
Is Mr. Moto and view of the Gregory Lake. What you are looking for?
Nasi goreng and cuttlefish.
Okay.
Rice, baked rice, how much?
Rice, fried rice? Fried rice? Yeah, chicken rice.
Yeah, how much?
Chicken devil. 350. The chicken, rice, the chopped vegetable.
Local food. They call it fried rice, chicken, and vegetables. And it's a spicy chili paste.
It have a
This is more from Japan.
Moto from Japan, from Tokyo. Yeah. Now you will try some spicy food of Sri Lanka.
Fried rice, I have fried rice.
Okay. Now we are having this. Dinner. I will going to fly this drone now. One, two, three, go! Side to side, not in the left side. Go side, right.
No.
That's okay. Send Moto on his way.
going Ella.
Yeah. Moto will remain here in Nuwara Eliya.
Yes,
And he's
that's
going tomorrow to National Park.
Yeah.
And Luis has come with me. And
Adam's
going
Peak.
and we'll hike the Adam's Peak. Nice.
Yeah. Welcome. Join us.
Okay people, so this is our end of our Nuwara Eliya trip here. And thank you so much for watching this video.
Please like
Subscribe.
and share.
Thank you. कर देना याद से.
Thank you.
Subscribe.
Thank you.